You ride a high-speed train, watching the landscape fly past the window, enjoying a smooth and comfortable journey. But beneath the heavy steel rails and wooden ties lies a simple element you probably never think about. Thousands of sharp, jagged, crushed gray stones packing the ground. This stone layer has a specific engineering name: ballast. It looks like random gravel, but it is a critical piece of 19th-century engineering. Today, we are tracing back the physics behind railroad ballast and why using smooth river stones instead could cause a massive train disaster. During the early Industrial Revolution, early railway engineers faced a massive physics problem. A fully loaded train weighs millions of pounds. When that extreme weight speeds down the track, it exerts intense pressure and vibration on the ground. Originally, tracks were laid directly onto regular dirt or sand. But during heavy rainstorms, the soil turned into soft mud, causing the heavy wooden ties to sink and shift. This movement warped the iron rails, leading to catastrophic train derailments. Engineers desperately needed a stable foundation that could distribute millions of pounds of weight evenly across the earth while keeping the tracks perfectly rigid. The solution was simple geometry: crushed granite and limestone. Notice how these stones are never smooth or round. They are intentionally jagged with sharp edges. When a multi-ton train passes over them, these sharp edges lock together like a jigsaw puzzle, preventing the track from moving an inch. If you used smooth, round river pebbles, the weight would cause them to slide past each other, making the tracks shift instantly. Ballast also acts as a giant shock absorber, reducing intense ground vibrations. Furthermore, it manages climate control. It allows heavy rain and melting snow to instantly drain away from the steel tracks, preventing rust and mud. It even blocks weeds and plants from growing and destroying the structure from inside. Over time, the constant heavy pounding of trains grinds these sharp stones down, making them round and dirty. Because of this, railway networks use massive specialized tamping machines to mechanically clean, filter, and replace the ballast every few years to keep the system safe. In modern high-speed lines, engineers are now moving toward ballastless tracks, mounting rails directly onto solid concrete slabs. While this concrete design reduces maintenance costs, it requires complex electronic sensors to manage ground vibrations. Yet, for regular transit, the classic 19th-century stone ballast remains the most efficient system. So, the next time you hear the rhythmic click-clack of a train ride, look down at the gray stones below. They are a silent, simple masterpiece of ancient physics, keeping millions of passengers safe on their daily commute. Have you ever wondered about railroad ballast before? Or did you think it was just random gravel? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe to Simple Things. TraceBack for more surprising histories of everyday things. Stay curious and see you in the next video.